them with EC2 instance. First, I'll go to my search bar and create EC2 machine. Let me create a simple Linux machine. As of now, it's 0 running. I click on this. Then I click on launch instance. I'm giving a name as network Rhinos instance. Default, I'm using just Linux machine. Everything I'm keeping it as default. I'm not going to do RDP, so I'll just simply do SSH to my Linux machine. So I'm going with proceed without a key pair, which is not recommended, just for test purpose, because our motto is to study about Elastic IP here. I'm allowing my traffic. You can choose from anywhere, or you can simply give your own IP address. That's it. Click on launch instance. This will launch a EC2 machine with a random public IP address. Let's see. Okay, let's wait for the machine to be started. As you can see, now it is running, but 2/2 is not yet up. 2/2 nothing but the first 2 represents the 2/2 it will be, which means 1 and 1, right? This one will be for your infra's condition, like I'm running EC2 machine on a bare metal, right, in the cloud environment. So it talks about that infra, and this is your EC2 machine's health status. Okay, it's basically AWS health status and EC2 health status. Now let's create a Elastic IP. Click on Elastic IP on the bottom left corner. Elastic IP nothing but a public IP address. I'm going to click on allocate a public Elastic IP address. This I'm leaving as it is. That's it. Let's see where am I running my machine, EC2 machine. EC2 is running on US East 1A. I go back to my Elastic IP, allocate Elastic IP address, US East 1, okay, create allocate. Now I got an IP address now. I can simply set the IP address, click on action, associate Elastic IP address, click on this. Here I can choose my instance. That's it, click on associate. Now this IP will be the IP address for my instance, ending with 187.66, right? If you carefully watch here, it is 187.66. It got binded together now. Now I can access my EC2 machine with the help of this particular IP address. Now, as I told you, this is going to charge you some money, so I'm going to deassociate first of all. See, when I deassociate IP address, I'm releasing the IP address from EC2 machine. Now I can select again, then release Elastic IP address. You can't delete it because it's not meant to be deleted. I go back to my instance, it was 187.66. See, automatically now it got changed. Now this IP will change if I restart my device also. Okay, so as of now let's delete this also, because I don't want to keep anything. I'll click on terminate instance and terminate. That's it. It's a very simple lab on creating an EC2 machine and creating a Elastic IP address and associating both of them.